In today's video, we're going to talk about dental insurance as it relates to orthodontic treatment. Dental insurance is a big, complicated topic, but this video will help simplify it so that you will have a better understanding of dental insurance as it relates to orthodontic treatment and braces. Our office will file all insurance and will assist you in obtaining your full benefit. Please be aware that insurance policies vary and some of the information presented in this video may not apply to your policy. When you schedule an orthodontic consultation, you do not need to bring a claim form from your insurance company. However, you do need to bring the dental insurance policy card and the policy holder's social security number and date of birth. For many insurance companies such as Anthem, Delta Dental, United Concordia, and MetLife, our office can look up your orthodontic benefits online so that you will know what is covered. Not every insurance company has a website that allows benefit lookup. In preparation for starting orthodontic treatment, orthodontic records are done, which are radiographs of the teeth and of the face, photographs, a detailed exam, and a 3D scan of the teeth. Since records involves radiographs and a clinical examination, most insurance companies will cover a portion of the records fees even if the policy does not cover orthodontic services. Typically, insurance companies cover about 50% of the records fee. The second time an orthodontic claim is filed is when orthodontic treatment actually begins. In order to have coverage for orthodontics, whether it's braces, Invisalign, or removable appliance, your dental policy must cover orthodontic treatment. Orthodontic appliances, whether it's braces, Invisalign, or removable appliances, must be in place in the patient's mouth in order for the insurance company to consider payment of this claim. Insurance companies will not pay anything on a claim unless treatment has started. Our staff will file for the entire fee on the day you start treatment. A claim for the entire orthodontic fee needs to be filed only once for most insurance companies. You do not need to file claims for monthly payments. The insurance company will consider the entire orthodontic fee once the claim form has been received and will decide on the amount that will be covered based on the policy that you have. Most orthodontic policies cover between $1,000 to $1,500 per lifetime of the patient. However, some Delta Dental policies cover as much as $2,300. A policy that only covers general dentistry will not cover orthodontic services. Typically, insurance companies make orthodontic payments on a monthly basis. Insurance companies will never pay the entire amount covered in one lump sum, and they will not pay in advance of the start of treatment so that you can use the insurance payment as a down payment. Some insurance companies periodically will require that Dr. Staggers sign a form verifying that orthodontic treatment is ongoing. Our office will take care of all verification forms and mail them for you. If your insurance company's benefits are not available to be viewed online and you would like to know how much of the orthodontic fee your insurance company will pay prior to the start of orthodontic treatment, a pre-treatment estimate can be filed by mail. The insurance company will then send you a form called an explanation of benefits, or EOB, explaining how much of the fee is covered and their reimbursement schedule. Dr. Staggers' staff has been highly trained to complete claim forms accurately and to include all of the necessary information. We know how important it is for you to receive your entire benefit, and our staff is available every day to answer your insurance questions and to check on your insurance claim status. Medically necessary orthodontic coverage is a new type of coverage that is part of the Affordable Care Act. This type of orthodontic coverage is part of your medical insurance and is not part of your dental insurance. Medically necessary orthodontic coverage is designed to pay for severely handicapping malocclusions, also called poor bites. In order to qualify for medically necessary orthodontic treatment, Dr. Staggers must complete a handicapping labial-lingual deviation index score sheet, also called HDL, and submit it to your medical insurance. If approved, your medical insurance will pay based on the benefit of your policy, provided that you have met your yearly deductible. The problem with qualifying for medically necessary orthodontic treatment is that most patients will not qualify because their dental problems are not severe enough. Any patient with a cleft lip or a cleft palate or some type of craniofacial syndrome will automatically qualify. Patients with a history of severe facial trauma will also automatically qualify. Everyone else must qualify using a point system. Points are assigned for various types of orthodontic problems. Patients with high enough total score will qualify. It is a good concept, but in reality, very few patients actually qualify. To make matters worse, if a patient does qualify, he or she must meet their yearly medical insurance deductible first, before the insurance company starts paying. So sadly, very few patients actually benefit from medically necessary orthodontic coverage. Choosing an orthodontist based on insurance can be difficult if you don't understand the type of orthodontic insurance policy that you have. If you have an HMO policy, you must see an orthodontist that participates with your plan. If you choose an orthodontist that is not an HMO provider, you will not receive any orthodontic benefits. Fortunately, very few orthodontic policies are HMO policies. Most orthodontic policies are PPO policies. In general, you are likely to save money by seeing a doctor that participates in your PPO. However, there are several factors that you should consider when selecting an orthodontist. When you select an orthodontist that is in-network, you must meet your in-network deductible before the insurance company starts paying benefits. If you choose an orthodontist that is not in-network, you must meet your out-of-network deductible, which is usually higher than the in-network deductible, before the insurance company starts paying benefits. Generally, the difference between in-network and the out-of-network deductible is not a huge saving. The real potential for savings is in the fee for orthodontic treatment. You may save money by seeing an in-network provider if your insurance company has negotiated a lower orthodontic fee from the provider orthodontist. The amount that the PPO doctor can charge for braces is based on the insurance company agreement and the location of the orthodontist, and it may be a discounted fee. This is the benefit of seeing an in-network orthodontist. If you choose a preferred provider orthodontist in Winchester, you will likely save some money on your orthodontic fee compared to a non-preferred provider located in Winchester. However, if you go to the DC suburbs and choose a preferred provider, you may pay more money than a non-preferred provider in Winchester because fees in the DC suburbs tend to be higher than fees in Winchester. I hope you found this video informative. Please keep in mind that insurance policies vary and that some of this information may not apply to your policy. If you have further questions, please contact us at Julie Staggers Orthodontics so we can answer the questions that you may have that are specific to your orthodontic policy. Please keep in mind that the purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for an in-office consultation with an orthodontist. Thanks for watching.